Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. I want to show you the trade I absolutely should have taken this week. Holy crow. Okay, US retail sales. Very big risk because it was trading with PPI and everyone's looking at PPI this month. The news comes out and it misses the fill by a tick. Move the order down a tiny bit, see if it could get filled. It fills one tier, okay? Fills one tier. You're allowed to move your orders on a trap trade. That would have been the proper way to trade it. Going to close the extra tier. Cancel the outer tier. Cancel the outer tier. Okay? Cancel the outer tier. Outer tier is canceled. Now I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Good possibility price should reverse. Not a gigantic response to the news. It breaks the high. It pulls back off the high. We're in profit. Definitely a report that should have been traded. You can bring your stop to safety, bring the stop to entry plus a tick or two, and now price is just falling. A perfect trap trade reversal and a technique on moving the order to get filled. Completely appropriate. Absolutely should have traded this. We used a much, much bigger tier because we were very concerned about significant risk in the markets. Margins were raised on the event. The trade I should have taken absolutely this week would have been an awesome profit. PPI with US retail with a smaller, more aggressive setup. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something very important. So I'll see you all in the trade room. Thanks for watching.